Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nil no wakwezonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanye, and I'm Kelunu. I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the digital makeup artist. And this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're here to give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so give it up for Chika Dibia. That's right, give it up for her. All right, so shout out to Chika Dibia. So Chika Dibia sent in her name for today's Igbo Name of the Day and just wanted me to give the translation for it and tell everybody about her name, right? So Chi in this context means God. Ka means better than, or I guess stronger than, more powerful than, mightier than. And Dibia. A Dibia is like, how do I describe Dibia? Dibia is kind of like an herbalist, right? I think that's like the closest English translation for it. But Dibia really just means a native doctor, right? So it's like an herbalist, but they can also, it's almost kind of like a spiritual guide, someone who can, I guess, the best way to say it is they're almost kind of like they can also be an intercessor between you and God, so they can heal you with herbs and native treatments and things like that. And they're also kind of like a spiritual connection, just a traditional, it's like a traditional doctor, like someone who has a connection to God, Chukwu, and they, so with both physical remedies and also spiritual remedies, right? So that's what Dibia is. So you put those words together, you put all those root words together, Chika Dibia. God is greater than the native doctor. God is greater than the herbalist, right? Basically, it's almost kind of like a reminder to us that Chukwu, the God that we serve, is greater than any man or any priest or any of his, the people who do his work. So just to be reminded that God is who you have to follow, right? You don't follow man, even though there are certain men and women who do amazing things and great things and do God's work. God is your focus, right? So Chika Dibia. Chika Dibia's names give them the power to be God-fearing, humble, and bubbly. Tag and share this video with all the Chika Dibias that you know. Thanks. All right, so did I get the translation right? Let me know down in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. If you like this video, please hit the like button, because that helps the YouTube algorithm grow this content and share it with like other people as well too. You could also manually share it, just hit that share button and share it with other people who might be interested in this type of content. So please do that. Please subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I drop a new video. And yeah, just continue to support this channel. If you would like your Igbo name featured, right? Send me a DM, just like Chika Dibia did. Send me a DM, let me know, and I will feature your name and tell everyone what your name means and how wonderful you are, right? And if you don't have an Igbo name, right? If you're not Igbo, you're not Nigerian, let me know and I can gift you an Igbo name on my other segment called the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So yeah, thanks a lot. Take care. All of your support of this channel goes a really long way. And I really appreciate you guys continuing to engage and learning more as I highlight these Igbo names. Take care. I will see you in the next video.